Hello everyone, I'm Zoe. Today I'm going to show you how to install the embroidery needle. Okay, let's start. First, let's take embroidery needle number 15 as an example. Then we need to prepare a flathead screwdriver. Use a screwdriver to loosen the needle clamp screw. Then remove the existing embroidery needle. Note, only loosen the needle clamp screw slightly to remove the needle. There is no need to completely remove the screw. Make sure the needle is installed in the correct direction before installing it. The long groove of the needle should face the front, and the short groove face the back. Carefully confirm the installation direction. Installing the needle in the wrong direction may cause thread breakage or prevent the machine from embroidering properly. After confirming the correct needle direction, insert the embroidery needle into the needle bar hole. Push the needle upward until it is fully seated against the needle bar. Then confirm again that the long groove of the needle is still facing the front. After confirming the position is correct, tighten the needle clamp screw to complete the embroidery needle installation. Thank you for your watching. Let's meet next video. Bye!